Hello everyone, and welcome to another coin roll hunting video. This one is for half dollars, 50-cent pieces. If you've seen the quarter version, you were probably hoping for a little bit better quality in video, and so hopefully this will fix that. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So if you were to order a box of half dollars from the bank, this is the type of roll that you would receive them in. They come in rolls of $10, so 20 half-dollar pieces. The wrapping is a yellow color, and it's pretty easy to open. You basically just get the seam and you pull it back, and then you untuck the rest of the paper from the rolls. And I would say the main reason someone would order half dollars would be for silver hunting. So immediately you should be able to tell whether you have any silver half dollars or not. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like we have anything here because we don't have the silver edge, the reading that you usually get. And all of these in here are silver. So you can kind of tell, sometimes the silver gets tarnished, but it should be, relatively easy to tell the difference between a silver half dollar and a non-silver half dollar. But nevertheless, just like the quarters, I go through them and I look at the different dates. There are anywhere from 1970s to the late 1990s. This one is a bicentennial, so that's the 1976. We've got some 1974. There's a lot from the 1970s, but none of them are really worth anything more than face value. So you may find a couple from after 2001, they stopped issuing the half dollar for circulation. So if you find any after 2001, and I have some examples here. So like this one is, 2008. And anywhere from, I think 2001 all the way up to 2021. And then they did start releasing, so this one is from 2022, and you see it's, much newer, obviously much better quality, but these were released for circulation. So if you order any boxes and you start finding a lot of, 2021 and later, those are just circulation. They're, nothing special. They probably look really nice. But like I said, the main reason why you would go through half dollars would be to find silver. So first we'll start with what you really want to find is the 1964 and earlier. Hopefully that is, hopefully you can see that. Hopefully that's clear. But 1964, this is 90% silver. This is still the JFK half dollar, and then from 1963 and earlier, everything was still 90% silver, but then you have Benjamin Franklin on the half dollar, and then if you go back far enough, you start getting much earlier designs. So 1964 is the only 90% silver JFK half dollar. The other from 1965 up until, I believe, 1969, the JFK half dollar is 40% silver. So in the making of this video, I would say mid-December of 2025, silver is currently about $60 an ounce. So the 40% JFK half dollar is going to be worth about $9, but the 90% is worth about $22. So that's why it's so great to find 1964 and earlier. They're very rare. As you can see, I have this entire row of 20 coins and then another 4 coins. So I have 24 coins that are 40% and only one coin that is 90%. I think I might have one or two Benjamin Franklin half dollars. Actually, let me go grab that. All right, so here's a quick example. So this is one that I found in circulation. It is from 1950, and you can see the Liberty Bell on the back and Benjamin Franklin on the front. And like I said, this is 90% silver, so this would be worth the $22, similar to the 1964 JFK. But that's what you're going to look for with half-dollar coin roll hunting. Like I said, if you walk into a bank, you just ask really nicely, could I order a box of half dollars? It's $500 for an entire box. You could maybe just ask for some rolls, but more than likely you're not going to find silver unless you're going through hundreds of dollars worth of rolls. So that's the end of this video. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. As always, keep on jamming.